syma S39 RC helicopter. So it's got a light on it. You can fly it indoors. But to the flying RC, and getting used to the controls and all that stuff. And in the future, in 2023, there will be bigger helicopters that I'll go out with, and planes and etc. So yeah, let's open this up and see what we've got inside. There is a red one and a green one. I've gone for the green one. Yeah. So let's open it. Okay, so we've opened the box. Put the box to one side. That box into a box. So you got your instruction manual. Then you have your 2-year warranty, and a couple of other bits as well. So okay, put them to one side. This is stuck on by sticky tape. There's one, and there it is. There it is. Okay, so here's the helicopter. So the propellers are flexible. So it's not a bad looking helicopter. So it's a 3D full function helicopter. These bits here are metal, and this bit here is metal. So we'll see what it's like. Also, we get a bag. We get a charger cable, and we get a little battery with it as well, which there is a battery in it already. So I think that is the smallest RC battery I've ever seen before. Here is the transmitter. Obviously it's just you know, 360 flying. It's just like a aiming controller. So it's you know, it's not bad to hold, I suppose. It just feels like an Xbox controller, but and then you've got some buttons there. You've got the on and off switch, and it will take, obviously it'll take batteries. So it looks like it's going to take 4 AA batteries, which I've got. So okay. We've also got another little screwdriver as well, which is quite handy actually. So you can if you haven't got a screwdriver small enough, you can it comes with it as well, so not bad at all. Okay, so it's a fairly cheap RC helicopter for indoors, but I will get, once I get used to the RC helicopters and all that, I will be getting much bigger ones for the outdoors. But get used to the controls and just you know, never actually had a RC helicopter before, so it will be the first time. So yeah, so it'll be interesting to find out how this goes, which will be in a video once I've charged up the battery. So let's have a closer look. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and